Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. It's my day off work. I hope you're all having a good day. I've got a busy day planned today, and I'm just gonna get up and do it. I'm still in bed, as you can see under my covers. I'm still in bed. Yeah. I'm gonna get up and have some breakfast, have a cup of tea, and get myself together. I'm so tired, but I have to get up. So let's see what the day has in store, and yeah, let's get up. But I hope you're having a good day. Well, or I hope your day will go good today. So yeah, it's Sunday. I don't want to get up out of bed because it's cold. It's overcast, and I just want to do this. Oh. But I have to get up. So I'll see you all in a bit. I'll see you in a bit. So I'm gonna make an attempt to change the light bulb in this thing because it's been giving me trouble. So I'm gonna make an attempt to change the light bulb, and I'm on a step ladder, so let's hope it works. Got all the bulbs here. I don't know which one I need. I got this one, I have this one, and I've got this one that I bought today. I don't know which one I need, but I have to learn to change it, the light bulb. So here we go. So here is a little troublemaker. I'm gonna take you out and try and get a new one in. Yeah, here goes nothing. So I have these, and I think I don't know if I bought these, but whoever bought them for me, thank you. Because I normally buy these ones. And this is the wrong one. So thanks, I guess. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, so I've taken it out, and I'm gonna put the other one in. Let's go. Okay, so I put the bulb in. I think it's like my second or third time I'm changing the light bulb in my life. In my adult life. Anyway, I'm going to turn the light on now and see if it works. Oh! Let's see if it works. Yay! It worked! I'm a big girl now. Hello! How you doing? Well, today I am feeling a little bit down today, not gonna lie. The weather is not very good. That's what we all said. The weather is not weathering. It's horrible outside. So I'm just gonna make something quick and fast to eat. And yeah, it's a little bit depressing, the weather outside. So I'm just staying in today. It's raining, it's damp, there's no sunshine, it's just miserable. So I'm just gonna make some lunch. You know, I've got some veggie here. I'm just going to chop up some more vegetables and just make something. I don't know what I'm making, but this is not going to be a long video, just a short one. Alright, do you remember my peppers that I chopped up and put in this bag? So you see it comes in handy. So I'm just gonna take some out and just put it in my vegetables. I'm not making it ready yet, we'll see. Okay, so the peppers are, as you can see, they're still frozen, but they look so lovely. See, it doesn't get withered or anything like that. So yeah, that's what I always do, just have them, freeze them. And I'm gonna cut up some tomatoes, got some thyme, fresh thyme here, and other seasons, onions and spring onions and all of that jazz. So let me see what this can make. I just don't feel like meat today. I just want to make a veggie something with some maybe rice or something, I don't know. I've got potatoes as well, so some spuds. So let's see what that can do, okay? So let's take a look at my veg. Okay, see you later.